Hello ladies and gentlemen, Adam Steele from Hot Pole Studios here, and welcome to the channel. We do tutorials of music production, we do guitar gear reviews, we do all sorts of interesting and funny videos, hopefully, that we think you might enjoy. We are a recording studio based in the northwest of England, and we try and stay on the cutting edge of technology. So we learn about things as soon as they come out, or sometimes even before they come out. We try and test gear, we try and compare things as fairly as possible. We're also really into speakers and guitar amps and guitar cabinets. So much so that we get loads of cabinets from Zilla, who hand make their cabs in England, and we capture them and we host those through Two Notes Audio Engineering in their store. Check those out. Everything that we do here is helped out by the guys who support us through subscribing and helping on Patreon. Patreon is, of course, where you can support the channel. So if you were to give us, say, I don't know, $1 a month, that would be massively appreciated, and you would get early access to any of the videos that we do. If you're watching this video, then I'm going to assume that you've not already subscribed to the channel, so please do, please hit the subscribe button because that really helps us, and stay tuned for more videos. I won't take up any more of your time with this rambling. Hopefully you'll see my rambling in something else. Thank you everybody, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.